أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل محمد وبارك وسلم عليه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما أجمعين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته Alhamdulillah by Allah's grace and fadl we are in the class number 181. Inshallah today we are going to start lesson number 28 of Duroos volume 3. Let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lesson number 28. In this lesson we learn the following. المفعول المطلق 1. المفعول المطلق the absolute object. It is a masdar of the verb occurring in the sentence used along with the verb for the sake of emphasis. It is mansoob. Example: Darabani Bilalun Zorban. Bilal bit me a beating. The words Darabani Bilalun convey the meaning, but you can say this even if he did not actually beat you. But merely raise his hand or gently place his hand on your body. But you can say Zarabani Bilalun Zarban only when he gave you a real beating. The Maf'ul Mutlaq has 4 uses. It is used to emphasize as we have just seen. Here is another example. وَكَلَّمَ اللَّهُ مُوسَى تَكْلِيمًا. Allah spoke to Musa directly. Holy Quran, chapter number 4, verse number 164. To specify the number, example, Tubi al-Kitabu Tabataini. The book was printed twice. Nasitu wasajadtu sajdatan wahidatan. I forgot and performed one sajda. See, to specify the type of action. Example, Mata Mauta Shuhadai. He died the death of martyrs. Uktub Kitabatan Wadihatan. Write legibly. Literally write a clear writing. B. As a substitute for the verb. In this case, only the masdar is used. Example, Sabran. Have patience. Here the masdar is a substitute for the amr isbir. Shukran. I thank you. Here the masdar is a substitute for the mudari ashkuru. I thank. Words which deputize for the masdar. It's very important. Please concentrate on this particular topic. Words which deputize for the masdar. The following words deputize for the masdar and are therefore mansoob and are grammatically regarded as maf'ul mutlaq. 1. The words kull, ba'd, ay. The masdar as their mudaf ilayhi. Example, a'rifuhu kull al-ma'rifati. I know him fully well. So here kulla is taking the position of masdar. I mean it is mutlaq. It is maf'ul mutlaq because it is deputizing the masdar of al-marifa. Okay, that's why it is mansoob, and kulla it is here maf'ul mutlaq. Inshallah we will explain. Akhadani al-mudiru ba'd al-muakhadati. Headmaster punished me to some extent. Ayya nawmin tanamu. What sort of sleep are you sleeping? The Holy Quran. We have verse number the Quran, chapter number 26, and verse number 227. وَسَيَعْلَمُ الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا أَيَّ مُنْقَلَبٍ يَنْقَلِبُونَ. And those who do wrong will come to know how they will end up. And those who do wrong will come to know how they will end up. Point 2. A number with the masdar as its tamiz. Example, Tubi al-Kitabu Salasat Ba'atin. The book was printed thrice. The Quran we have Fajlidu kulla wahidim minhuma mi'ata jaldatin. Flog each one of them 100 stripes. Fajlidu samanina jaldatan. Flog them 80 stripes. Point 3. An adjective of the masdar. The masdar itself being omitted. Example, فهمت الدرس جيدا. I understood the lesson well. This is for فهمت الدرس فهما جيدا, which literally means I understood the lesson with a good understanding. So here footnote is given for Thameem. Yes, a number with the masdar as its Thameem. The footnote is the Thameem is a word used to associate a vague idea. The Thameem of the number may be majroor or mansub. Example, Salasatu Kutubin or Ishruna Kitaban. Next, point number 4. Ism al-Masdar. It is a word which has the same meaning as the Masdar, but has less letters than it. Example, Kalamun, speaking. Example, Kalamun, speaking is Ism al-Masdar, and Taklimun is Masdar. Qublatun, is kiss, is Qublatun kiss is Ism al-Masdar, and Takbilun is Masdar. Kallamani Kalaman Shadidan, he spoke to me harsh words. So the point number 4 is about Ism Masdar. Next, number 5. The cognate masdar. It is the masdar of the mujarrad verb, where the verb used in the sentence is mazid. Example, Ishtaraitu hadhihi sayyarata shiran mubashiran. I bought this car directly. Here, shiran is the masdar of the mujarrad verb. Shara ishri, to buy. Whereas the masdar of ishtara ishri is ishtira. Here is an example from the Holy Quran in chapter number 89 verse 20. وَتُحِبُّونَ الْمَالَ حُبًّا جَمًّا. The love, and you love wealth with abounding love. Here, hubban is the masdar of the mujarrad verb. Habba yahibbu, which is very rarely used. Whereas the masdar of the mazid verb, ahabba yuhibbu, is ihbabun, and this masdar is very rarely used. Point B. The masdar of your mazid verb, which is different from the verb of the verb. Example, tabassamtu ibtisaman. I smiled. Here, ibtisaman is the masdar of the verb ibtisama, which belongs to the verb ifta'ala. Whereas the verb tabassama belongs to the verb tafa'ala. And both have the same meaning. The Holy Quran we have in verse number 73, in chapter number 73, verse number 8, وَتَبَتَّلْ إِلَيْهِ تَبْتِيلًا, and devote yourself to him with complete devotion. Here the verb tabattal belongs to verb tafa'ala, whereas the masdar is from verb fa'ala. Point 6. A demonstrative pronoun with the masdar as its brother. Example, as tastaqbiluni hadha al-istiqbala. Do you accord me this kind of reception? Here hada is the maf'ul mutlaq, and so it is fi mahalli nasbin. And al-istiqbal is badal. Actually, al-istiqbal it is your masdar, but hada has taken the position of masdar, and now it becomes the maf'ul mutlaq. Al-istiqbal becomes badal. That we know very well. We have done many times. Number 7, a pronoun referring to the masdar. Example, ijtahadtu ijtihadan lam yajtahiduhu ghairi. I worked hard in a way nobody else did. Here the pronoun who stands for ijtihadan. Point number 8. A synonym of the masdar. Example, ishtu hayatan sa'idatan. I lived a happy life. Here, hayatan, life, is synonyms with aishatan, derived from asha. Okay. Next number, point number 2. These are sub points. Now we are actually in the point number 2. There are many kinds of masdar. Point A. One of them is masdarul marrati. This masdar denotes how many times the action took place. Once, twice, thrice. It is on the pattern of fa'alatun. Example, zarabtuhu darbatan wa darabani darbataini. I hit him once and he hit me twice. Tubiya hadal kitabu taba'atin. This book has been printed several times. Taba'atun is a plural of taba'atun. In the above of the masdar al-marra is found by adding raunta to the original masdar. Example, takbirun, takbiratun, saying Allah Akbar once. Itlalun, peeping out. Itlalatun, peeping out once. Example, mukabbiru, arba takbiratin fi salati al-mayyiti. We say Allah Akbar 4 times in the funeral prayer. Atlaltu min an-nafidati italataini. I looked down from the window twice. B. Another kind of the masdar is masdar al-hayyati, the masdar of the manner. It is on the pattern of fi'latun. Example, jilsatun, manner of sitting. Mishyatun, manner of walking. We say, la tamshi mishyat nisai, don't walk like women. Ijlis, jilsat talibi ilmin, sit as students sit. Note that the first letter has fatha, the masdar al-marra, and kasra in the masdar al-hayyati. Point number C. Another kind of the masdar is the masdar mimi, al-masdaru al-mimi. It is on the pattern of maf'alun and maf'alatun and maf'ilun and maf'ilatun. Example, mamatun, death, ma'rifatun, knowledge, maghfiratun, forgiveness. So this is masdar mimi. In the mazid abwab, it is the same as the ism maf'ul. Example, mumazzakun, tearing, and mukhrajun, taking out, munkalabun, written. The Holy Quran, we have فَجَعَلْنَاهُمْ أَحَادِيثَ وَمَزَّقْنَاهُمْ كُلَّ مُمَزَّقٍ. So made them tales and totally scattered them. Chapter number 34, question number 19. And these are the key points have been given in this chapter. Lesson number 28.